Hello learners, welcome to management classes with Pallavi. In this video I have given some important MCQ questions from the chapter national income and money and banking of macroeconomics. So your first question is those final goods which satisfy human wants directly called final goods, intermediate goods, capital goods or consumption goods. So the answer will be option number 4, consumption goods. Second question is dash refers to those goods and services which are used as a raw material for further production or for resale in the same year. So the answer will be option number first, intermediate goods. नाउ बिफोर मूविंग ऑन क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, अगर अभी तक से आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो नीचे जो रेड कलर से सब्सक्राइब लिखा हुआ है उस पर क्लिक कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि मेरे चैनल से रिलेटेड लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशन की अपडेट्स आपको टाइमली प्रोवाइड होती रहे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका, टोटल एडिशन मेड टू फिजिकल स्टॉक ऑफ कैपिटल ड्यूरिंग अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम called net investment, gross investment, investment or none of these. So the answer will be gross investment, option number second. Question number 4 is national income change in stock etc is an example of. So the answer will be option number second, flow. Next question है GDP at market price is equal to net domestic product at factor cost plus depreciation plus so the options are subsidy, net indirect taxes or NIT. So the answer will be second, net indirect taxes. Next MCQ is NDP-MP is equal to GDP-MP minus depreciation, indirect taxes, subsidy or all of the above. Answer will be option number first, depreciation. Next MCQ is GDP at constant price means real GDP or nominal GDP. Answer will be option number first, real GDP. Next है the value of NNP at consumer point is NNP at factor cost, NNP at market price, GNP at market price or GNP at factor cost. So your answer will be option number second, NNP at market price. Now in next question, two statements are given. You have to identify the right one. Number first is national income is the monetary value of all final goods and services produced, and second is depreciation is deducted from gross value to get the net value. So your option will be only first statement is correct, second statement is correct, both statements are correct and none of these statements are correct. So the answer will be option number C, both statements are true, both statements are right. Now your next question is the value of national income adjusted for inflation is called. The answer will be option number 4, real national income. Next question is the average income of the country is per capita income, disposable income, inflation rate or real national income. So the answer will be option number first, per capita income. इसको हम average income भी के equivalent मानते हैं. Next है consider the following statements and identify the right ones. Number first statement is while calculating GDP, income generated by foreigners in our country is taken into consideration. Second statement is while calculating GDP, income generated by nationals of a country outside the country is taken into account. So the answer will be option number first, A, first only. That means first statement is correct and second statement is false. Next question is which of the following is not a component of domestic income? Operating surplus, compensation of employees, net factor income from abroad or mixed income. So the answer will be option number third, net factor income from the abroad. Next is a growing country is one whose GNP is rising at current prices, at GNP is constant at constant prices, or is rising at constant prices, or none of these. Answer will be option number third, rising at constant prices. Now your next MCQ is which of the following is included in the compensation of the employees? Dearness allowance, tools given to employees to be used during the work, payment by insurance company or contribution by employees to provident fund. Answer will be option number first, DA, that is dearness allowance is added to compensation to employees. Next question is subsidy implies selling the product to the government at higher prices below the cost of production, selling the product at loss or selling the product at cost plus indirect taxes. Answer will be option number second, below the cost of production means your subsidy, what a subsidy is. Next, a dash are the difficulties involved in barter system. So answer will be option number fourth, all of the above, that is lack of double coincidence, lack of standard of deferred payments and lack of store of value. Next question is M3 is equal to dash plus time deposits of commercial banks. So options are M1, M2, M4 or both first and second option. So answer will be option number first, M1, M3 is equal to M1 plus time deposits of commercial banks. Next, bankers to the government, bankers, bank and supervisor, controller of credit, lender of last resort are the functions of central bank, commercial banks or both option first and second, none of these. Answer will be central bank. Next question आपका आ जाता है, मनी क्रिएशन डिपेंड्स अपॉन टू फैक्टर, प्राइमरी डिपॉजिट्स एंड द सेकेंड ऑप्शन विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट लीगल रिजर्व रेशियो। ये दोनों फैक्टर्स होते हैं जिस पर मनी क्रिएशन डिपेंडेंट होती है। नेक्स्ट है वन ऑफ द मेजर ऑफ मनी सप्लाई इज, आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर सी M1। नेक्स्ट है द प्रोसेस ऑफ मनी क्रिएशन और क्रेडिट क्रिएशन इज डन बाय, ऑप्शन नंबर डी कमर्शियल बैंक। यही मनी क्रिएशन या क्रेडिट क्रिएशन का रोल या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कंप्लाई करते हैं। नेक्स्ट है डैश यूज्ड बाय द मॉनेटरी अथॉरिटीज टू कंट्रोल इन्फ्लेशन, रेपो रेट और रिवर्स रेपो रेट। द आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट रेपो रेट। Next is an increase in the reverse repo rate will dash the money supply, increase, decrease, nor increase, nor decrease. Answer will be option number second, decrease. Now your next MCQ question is the value of fiat money is derived from the relationship between supply and demand, the value of material from which the money has been made, both option first and second or none of these. So the answer will be option number first, relationship between supply and demand. Next question is historically the Indian rupee was a dash coin, copper, gold, silver or bronze. So the answer will be historically the Indian rupee was a silver coin. Next question comes is currency notes and coins are called as flat money, legal tenders, fiat money or option second and third. So the answer will be option number fourth, both second and third, that is legal tenders as well as fiat money. Next what is the reserve deposit ration RDR? The proportion of money RBI lends to commercial banks, the proportion of total deposits commercial banks keeps as a reserve, the total proportion of money that commercial banks lends to customers or none of these. Answer will be option number second. Next MCQ question comes is what is the legal tender money? Check, rupees, credit card or demand draft. Answer will be option number second, rupees. Next है legal reserve ratio is equal to which of the following? So the answer will be option number D, CRR plus SLR. So these are some important MCQ questions. I hope आपको समझ में आए तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें, को भी करिए, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल फॉर more updates. Thank you so much.